Okay, Brew and Feed here. Today what I'm doing is a little frontier cooking. I got a cast iron skillet, I got some charcoal briquettes, and I also got my grill fired up because what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook a ribeye steak frontier style in the cast iron skillet. We're also gonna use the oven to finish the steak off, and we're going to make some roasted potatoes and some roasted asparagus in the grill. So just check this out and see what I'm working with. Brew strong and feed well.